me, Vasu. Continuation with our last video of testing the NYX cosmetic lipstick. Today's video I'm testing it with cleansing balms, the cleansing oils, or the makeup removers that I have with me. I also opened a new cleansing balm today just to test this because I have purchased that recently. And these are the 4 products that I'm testing today. Small tiny one is MAC cleansing oil, and this is Glow Recipe cleansing balm, Clinique cleansing balm which I'm currently using. This is Elemis cleansing balm which I have purchased recently and I just opened it. So without any delay, let's go into the video and see which will work the best in removing this lipstick. Here are the full-size product details along with their prices for your reference. And now let's start applying the NYX Cosmetics 16-hour Shine Loud High Shine Lipstick, which is smudge proof and transfer proof. Now it is almost dry, so I'm applying the gloss. I'm more excited to see the shine rather than testing on which cleansing balm will remove this. I have dabbed a tissue paper on the lip gloss and now I'm trying to see if there is any transfer or smudge for the lipstick. The first one I want to test is MAC cleansing oil. If you have been watching my videos by now, you would know that I am a very big fan of MAC products. And yes, this hasn't disappointed me here as well, and it has cleansed the lipstick completely. Now moving on to the Glow Recipe Papaya Cleansing Balm. I have received this for one of my purchase as a sample, and it has been doing the similar cleansing as MAC, but it has been taking a little bit more time, but finally at the end it has cleansed completely. And also I have applied a little bit water and then it completely wiped off the lipstick. And now let's move on to Clinique cleansing balm. This is my current cleansing balm that I'm using, and it has been nicely removing all the foundation, the mascara and everything, but it was taking a little bit more time to cleanse this lipstick. And then again I applied a little bit of water because some cleansing balms need a little bit water to get activated, but still it has left the stains of the lipstick and it didn't remove it completely. Now let's test my new cleansing balm, which is Elemis cleansing balm, and this is a very popular cleansing balm. I'm totally surprised that Elemis hasn't taken off this. Oh god, I invested so much of money. What is this? It isn't taking off anything. I think I should return this. Shocked after testing this because I had lots of hopes on Elemis. First place goes to MAC and Glow Recipe. Second is Clinique, and Elemis has disappointed me a lot. After testing this, I'm shocked seeing the results, and it really helped me to understand which makeup remover or a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil is the best to remove this transfer proof lipstick. And I'm sure you also got an idea on where to invest. If you like my testing and review, please do like, share and subscribe to me, Meevasu.